Today, I'm turning an old suitcase into a powerful DIY Bluetooth speaker box. And yes, it actually sounds way better than you'd expect. Let's build it together. First, I'm installing a large 8-inch speaker into the front of the suitcase. I already cut a perfect circular hole so the speaker fits nicely. After placing the speaker in position, I tighten it securely using screws so it stays firmly attached. Now let's move to the other side of the suitcase where I install a second speaker, a 100-watt bass speaker to give this box some serious low-end power. Once both speakers are mounted, I open the suitcase to start the internal wiring. From the first speaker, I solder 2 wires using a soldering iron to make a strong connection. I repeat the same process for the second bass speaker so both speakers are ready to connect to the amplifier. Then now it's time for the heart of the system, a 200-watt Class D amplifier module. I carefully place the amplifier inside the suitcase and insert the potentiometer shafts through the holes I already made on the panel. After positioning everything correctly, I flip the suitcase and tighten the potentiometer nuts so the amplifier panel is securely fixed in place. Next, I attach the control knobs one by one, 5 knobs in total for volume and sound control. With the amplifier mounted, I connect the wires from the 8-inch speaker to the amplifier output terminals. And then I connect the wires from the bass speaker as well. Now for the power connection. I take a male power jack and connect the positive and negative wires properly. Then plug it into the amplifier's female power input. After that, I install a power switch on the side of the suitcase. You'll need to cut a small slot like this to fit the switch perfectly. I cut the positive wire and route it through the 2 terminals of the switch so we can easily turn the system on and off. For power, I'm using a 12-volt lithium-ion battery that I built earlier. If you want to see how to build this battery pack, check the link in the description or the card above. I connect the battery's positive and negative wires carefully to the circuit, then secure the battery at the bottom of the suitcase using hot glue so it doesn't move around. Once everything is connected and secured, I close the suitcase, flip the switch on, and power up the system. Now let's connect it to my phone via Bluetooth. And it's time for the sound test. Let's see how powerful this DIY suitcase speaker really is.
So friends, you can see that our homemade Bluetooth speaker is working really properly.